Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a phone number location using Python for 8 lines of code. It's very simple. Let's go. Firstly, let's get our phone number. It's an example. Then let's parse our number with phone numbers library. Let's import this library. We can import with a hint install and import package phone numbers, or we can add the command in the terminal pip install phone numbers. It's the same. Library was installed, then let's parse our number, and next we find the region of our number with geocoder function. Let's import it from phone numbers, and in this method select description for number, description of our parse number, and in which language we want to read the information. I will read it in English. Let's try to print it. Print the region, start the code, and we have the country of our number. Some numbers have not only the country, they may consist the region, they may consist the city. It depends on the rules of the country. For example, if we change the phone number, we receive London City as a description for this number. Also, we can receive a mobile operator of number with the carrier function. Let's import it. We need to import it from phone numbers, and then we can select name for number from our parse number. Let's print our carrier. We have mistake because I forgot to add a language in which we want to read the text. It will be English once more, and we have our mobile operator. Thanks for the watching and good luck!